Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu meaning. Meaning, synonyms, antonyms, examples. January 5th, 2022. For more upcoming videos, subscribe now our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. One vibrant, adjective.
मुतहर्रिक, तेजी से लरजने वाला.
Full of energy and life. Example, a vibrant cosmopolitan city. Synonyms, spirited, lively, full of life, full of spirit, high-spirited, energetic, sprightly, vigorous, vital. Antonyms, spiritless, listless, dull. 2. Stinking, adjective.
बदबूदार.
Foul-smelling. Example, he was locked in a stinking cell. Synonyms, foul-smelling, evil-smelling, stinking to high heaven, reeking, fetid, malodorous, pungent. Antonyms, sweet-smelling, aromatic. 3. Gracious, adjective.
शफीक, रहीम, करीम.
Courteous, kind, and pleasant, especially towards someone of lower social status. Example, a gracious hostess. Synonyms, courteous, polite, civil, chivalrous, well-mannered, decorous, gentlemanly, ladylike. Antonyms, ungracious. 4. Insatiable, adjective.
इत्मीनान दिलाना नामुमकिन होना, ना बुझने वाली प्यास.
Of an appetite or desire, impossible to satisfy. Example, an insatiable hunger for success. Synonyms, unquenchable, unappeasable, uncontrollable, voracious, prodigious, gluttonous. Antonyms, moderate, delicate, fastidious, dainty. 5. Appetite, noun.
भूख, रग़बत, ख्वाहिश, चाहत.
A natural desire to satisfy a bodily need, especially for food. Example, he has a healthy appetite. Synonyms, hunger, ravenousness, hungriness, need for food, taste, palate, desire, relish. Antonyms, aversion. 6. Fledgling, noun.
ना तजुर्बाकार, ना पुख्ता.
A person or organization that is immature, inexperienced, or underdeveloped. Example, a New York businessman accused of defrauding a fledgling Broadway production has been held without bail. Synonyms, emerging, emergent, arising, sunrise, dawning, beginning, developing, in the making. Antonyms, declining, mature. 7. Mundane, adjective.
दुनियावी, आजी.
Lacking interest or excitement, dull. Example, his mundane, humdrum existence. Synonyms, humdrum, dull, boring, tedious, monotonous, tiresome, wearisome, prosaic. Antonyms, extraordinary, imaginative. 8. Disintegrate, verb.
टूटने का अमल, तख्लील, टुकड़े टुकड़े होना.
Break up into small parts as the result of impact or decay. Example, our shoes had to last until they disintegrated on our feet. Synonyms, break up, break apart, fall to pieces, fall to bits, fragment, fracture. Antonyms, integrate, incorporate. 9. Traverse, verb.
मुखालिफ करना, किसी चीज के आर पार होने वाला सरिया.
Travel across or through. Example, he traversed the forest. Synonyms, travel over / across, cross, journey over / across, make one's way across, pass over. Antonyms, stay, back up, confirm. 10. Morass.
दलदल.
Something that is extremely complicated and difficult to deal with and makes any progress almost impossible. Synonyms, chaos, quagmire. Antonyms, order, organization. 11. Hobble, verb.
कली, जंजीर, लिंगराहत.
Walk in an awkward way, typically because of pain from an injury. Example, he was hobbling around on crutches. Synonyms, limp, walk with a limp, walk with difficulty, move unsteadily, walk unevenly, walk lamely. Antonyms, stride. 12 urgency, noun.
फौरी जरूरत, सख्त अहमियत.
Importance requiring swift action. Example, the discovery of the ozone hole gave urgency to the issue of CFCs. Synonyms, importance, top priority, imperativeness, weight, weightiness, gravity, necessity, exigency. Antonyms, unimportance, refrain, decompression. 13 triggered.
मुतहर्रिक करना / मुतहर्रिक किया.
A lever on a gun that you pull to fire the gun. Something that causes something else to happen. Synonyms, actuate, activate. Antonyms, kill, turn off. 14 fraternity, noun.
गिरो, फिरका, अंजुमन, बरादरी.
A group of people sharing a common profession or interests. Example, members of the hunting fraternity. Synonyms, profession, body of workers, band, group, set, circle. Antonyms, sorority, solitude, separation, isolation. 15 stance, noun.
मौक़िफ़, हालत, कैफ़ियत, नुक्ता नज़र.
The way in which someone stands, especially when deliberately adopted, as in cricket, golf, and other sports, a person's posture. Example, she altered her stance, resting all her weight on one leg. Synonyms, posture, body position, pose, attitude, bearing. Antonyms, erectness, position, posture. 16 manifold, adjective.
कई गन्ना, गुनागू.
Many and various. Example, the implications of this decision were manifold. Synonyms, many, numerous, multiple, multifarious, multitudinous, multiplex, legion, diverse. Antonyms, few, scant, rare, scarce. 17 salvage, verb.
किसी खतरे से बचाने का अमल.
Rescue, a wrecked or disabled ship or its cargo, from loss at sea. Example, an emerald and gold cross was salvaged from the wreck. Synonyms, rescue, save, recover, retrieve, raise, reclaim, get back, restore, reinstate. Antonyms, abandon, forfeit, lose, endanger. 18 consigned.
सुपुर्द करना.
To send something to someone. Synonyms, assign, relegate. Antonyms, keep, cease, conceal. 19 austerity, noun.
सादगी, किफ़ायत शियारी.
Sternness or severity of manner or attitude. Example, he was noted for his austerity and his authoritarianism. Synonyms, sternness, austereness, severity, strictness, grimness, seriousness, somberness. Antonyms, cheerfulness. 20 desperately, adverb.
निडर, बेखौफी के साथ.
In a way that shows despair. Example, he looked around desperately. Synonyms, in desperation, in despair, despairingly, in anguish, in distress, miserably, wretchedly. Antonyms, slightly. 21 afloat, adjective.
भटकना, बेरा, बेकार.
Floating in water, not sinking. Example, they trod water to keep afloat. Synonyms, buoyant, floating, buoyed up, non-submerged, suspended, drifting, on/above the surface. Antonyms, sunk, sinking. 22 deplete, verb.
खर्च कर देना, इस्तेमाल करना, खर्च करना.
Use up the supply or resources of. Example, reservoirs have been depleted by years of drought. Synonyms, exhaust, use up, consume, expend, spend, drain, empty, sap, milk, suck dry. Antonyms, augment, increase. 23 ingrained, adjective.
गहरी जड़ों वाला, पक्का, मुकम्मल.
Of a habit, belief, or attitude, firmly fixed or established, difficult to change. Example, his deeply ingrained Catholic convictions. Synonyms, entrenched, established, fixed, implanted, deep-rooted, rooted, deep-seated, settled. Antonyms, transient. 24 shrug, verb.
सिमटना, नजरअंदाज करना.
raise one's shoulders slightly and momentarily to express doubt, ignorance, or indifference. Example, Jimmy looked inquiringly at Pete, who shrugged his shoulders. Synonyms: disregard, dismiss, take no notice of, ignore, set aside, pay no heed to, forget. Antonyms: repose, rest. 25. Reluctant, adjective.
नारजामंद, हिचकिचाहट, अड़ियल.
Unwilling and hesitant, disinclined. Synonyms: unwilling, disinclined, unenthusiastic, grudging, resistant, resisting, opposed, antipathetic. Antonyms: willing, eager, ready. 26. Persecute, verb.
अजियत देना, सताना, तकलीफ दही.
Subject, someone, to hostility and ill treatment, especially because of their race or political or religious beliefs. Example, his followers were persecuted by the authorities. Synonyms: oppress, abuse, victimize, ill-treat, mistreat, maltreat, discriminate against. Antonyms: panegyrize, delight, benefit, comfort. For more videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.